4 Unexpected ways to invest money. There are many ways in which you can invest and grow your money. You may know a few of them, but there are still some that are largely unknown and thus offer an unexpected opportunity to increase your money, especially if you want to invest according to your passions. A few of these possibilities have only recently become known to me, which is why I hope to be able to tell you something new. So let's dive right in. 1. Invest in art. Like many others, you may also believe that investing in art is only for the super rich. But there has been a new platform for some time that enables normal people to invest in famous art. Masterworks.io. All links in the description below. This platform has removed all known barriers to trading valuable art, thus allowing anyone to invest in well-known, famous and very valuable images and then wait for the return of investment, ROI, starting with share prices as low as $25. This is then a long-term investment. At the same time, the shares can also be traded on the secondary market in order to make a profit faster. 2. Investing in collectibles. On the platform mythicmarkets.com you can take part in rare collectibles and pursue your hobby in a whole new way. Prices start at $25, giving anyone the chance to own a slice of pop culture for a small investment. Here, too, is the secondary market, on which the shares can be bought and sold if you don't want to hold them for a longer period of time. 3. Investing in song royalties. Many of you probably already know that. Anyone who is musically gifted and able to make music can make their songs available for streaming on various platforms such as Spotify or Apple Music and will be paid accordingly in return. But what I want to introduce you to today is different. Here you can invest in well-known songs by famous artists. On the platform Royalty Exchange, you can invest in real songs by real artists. It's not that you buy the rights, but you invest in the possibility that songs will generate money over time and thus repay the stake and more. Of course, this is an investment with a certain risk that will only turn out to be good or bad over a longer period of time. It is therefore beneficial to invest in a song that will hopefully sell over and over again and be played on the radio over a long period of time. Only then does this investment unfold its full potential. 4. Investing in sneakers. Investing in sneakers is not entirely new, but for the sake of completeness I would like to mention the possibility here as well. Flipping sneakers requires a certain knowledge, which you can familiarize yourself with, especially with the help of Discord groups and YouTube. Not all sneakers are suitable for collecting and raising prices. Seth Fowler's YouTube channel, for example, gives a good insight into which shoes are suitable.